Hello everyone, Wilson here. I'm back. It's been a few days. I've been a bit sick, under the weather. Still feel kinda weird, but I just wanted to share my season rewards with you guys. Here we go. I hope this doesn't load forever, because it can happen when you try to claim too soon. It was me drinking a sip of coffee. Okay, let's go. So this is 65 Diamond Chess. Uh, this is the first season I wasn't in Sam after 2 seasons, but I made it back in there. So next season I'll be getting Champion Chess. So we started with the rare potions, 3 SPS, 2.2 SPS, 2.6, more SPS, more SPS. Okay, more SPS. I just want to see like one of those big hits, you know. Anything above 5, in my opinion, is great. Okay, this is, I think I need this one. I can level it up now to 3, maybe. Always taking more of this guy. I can take him. I need a few to take him to level 7. Imperial Knight, more Imperial Knights. Nice. 6, lowland. I have this guy at level 5 in regular foil, but yeah, gold is always good, especially once we can unlock these cards. This is probably gonna go, depending on the print rate, I guess, but probably gonna go like for a few, I don't know, like 50 cents, $1 maybe. Okay, let's go. More summoners here. Forgot to mention. Merits, SPS, Swamp Spitter, SPS. One card. That's disappointing to see when I see one card, but yeah, whatever. 12 SPS, one pack. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Let's go. Oceans. Two. Wow, nice. We can get a pack now. Gladius pack. More cards. I need more of this guy. I need more of the Bruins, so I can get him to level 4, I think now. 11 SPS, that's nice. 11 defenders. Potions, SPS, potions, more potions, more merits, potions, more defenders, merits, SPS, another pack. Wow, nice. I think this was better than my last champion claim, to be honest. I didn't get like packs at the end. I'm always hoping to get a legendary or a gold foil legendary, but the chances of getting that in the last 5 probably bleak. Let's see. Oh my God, nice. Now, this is what I was talking about. 234 SPS. This is it. Now, this is what you want to see in Diamond and Champion Chess. Okay, this is awesome, actually. 2 epics. Awesome. Another epic. And 9 SPS. Okay, overall, I'm quite happy with these rewards, not gonna lie. So let's see. Let's see how much SPS was total. Then we can open the packs. Why not? 2 packs. Let's open them. Taking another sip of the coffee. Okay, so we got like 309 SPS from this chest plane. This is fucking crazy. Sorry about the swearing, but yeah, this is crazy. This is nice. Haven't gotten a big jackpot in a while, so I'm quite happy with it. Even at the price of SPS right now, I think it's pretty great. Okay, let's open the first pack. Okay, I'm prompted. Yeah, okay, the wallet. One pack. Can we get a legendary here? I don't think so, but there is always hope. Okay. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. Summoners are always great. Also, Chaos Legion, Chaos Agent is awesome. Even though I maxed him out the other day, he's still great to have. I can rent him or we'll see. Let's go to the second pack. Always hoping for a gold foil legendary. Some gold foil summoner, maybe. That would be great. Like a legendary summoner, that's what I mean, okay? Please, Splinterland, make it happen. Let the RNG gods be with us. Okay, we're not getting that today, I guess. And yeah, okay. This wasn't the best, but still, these cards are all pretty good. So yeah, this was it for the packs. Let's see where we stand in the soul bounds. I think I can level up a few now. Not sure, but let's see. So I click here like Chaos Legion and then Soulbound, so I don't see the Gladius. Yeah, I think I can level up this guy to 7 now. Yeah. Oh, damn, I'm missing one. Jesus. Okay, let's. Nothing here. I don't think I can level up any of these. Maybe this guy. No? Yep. Pain. I think we get. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we get skill. Strengthen. Pretty good. Pretty good card. This is the gold we got, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. You might be able to level up this guy. Yeah. For some reason, I thought I had him at level 6, but I don't know. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have him at level 6. Yeah, I don't think we got anything else. Maybe here, I'm not sure. Do anything with this. Okay, we can get him to level 4. This is a great card. In some rule sets at least. Has saved me in a few battles. So, do we have anything else? I don't think so. Yeah, I think we can level up this. Okay, we can get Dumaki Orc to level 7. By the way, have you guys gotten any max level cards? Feel free to let me know in the comments. Which one was it? Personally, my highest probably 7. These and like one more or two more. Imperial Knight, that kind of thing. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm probably gonna claim my alts later. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record it. Might record that as well. Thanks for watching and bye for now.